Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your profile in Boo Dating application. Viewing your profile in Boo Dating app lets you find out who's been checking out on your profile, showing interest, or just exploring your personality match. First of all, launch open the Boo application on your Android or iPhones. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After you're signed into the homepage of Boo, from the homepage, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Messages button. You'll then be able to see your message request on the next page. Go ahead and tap on Views at the top right, and all the profiles that has recently viewed your profile will be shown. If you want to see the details of the person, you need to go ahead and access to the Boo Infinity or Boo Premium. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and select a package and click Continue. You'll then be able to purchase the Infinity for Boo. Go ahead and confirm your purchase from your Google Play Store or your App Store. And once you do that, you'll be able to view all of the details of the people that has watched or viewed your profile. So that is how you can easily see who viewed your profile on the Boo Dating application. All you need is to activate Boo Infinity in order to view the person's profile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.